Hello, in this video we are going to look at how to do subtraction using the sub command. It's really simple, so let's just dive straight into it. First of all, we are going to create a couple of variables. If any of this feels unfamiliar, I recommend checking out the variables part of this series. So var1 and I'm going to do var2. Actually, we don't even need these. We don't need these at all. We don't need them. We can use variables for addition, but I'm just going to use this, directly with registers. The principle is basically the same. As an extra task, I recommend doing it with variables. So what we're going to do is move into the EVP register. This register is not being used, and so it's we can move something in there and it won't get overwritten. Or it will technically in a moment, but not by the existing code. So we're going to put comma 3. Move into the ESP register, another register that is not being used. You move the value 2 into it, and now to do subtraction, you put sub EVP ESP. So this will do EVP take away ESP, or more specifically the values that are at those registers. So 3 minus 2, and then it will store it into the first register, which is the EBP register. If I run it, nothing changes. If I change this to EBP now, we should only get H printed because 3 minus 2 is 1, and it just prints out the first character. If, for example, I change this to a 10, for example, and maybe this to, I don't know, a 1, we'll get a value of 9 in the EBP register. The 9 will be moved into the EDX register, which is now the length of it, so it will print out 9 characters. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Space is a valid character, so 6, 7, 8, and 9. So that's really it for the subtraction command. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.